Security forces recovered huge cache of weapons and ammunition, including explosive items, in separate operations that were conducted in 5 districts of the state. The recovered weapons and ammunition were produced before media persons. The recovered items include 5 AK series rifles, 3 Insas rifles, 16 SLR, 5 303 rifles, 19 pistols, 2 carbines, 9 rifles, 16 single-barrel bore action guns, 2 anti-riot guns, 1 JVPC, 1 double-barrel gun, 6 bolt action guns, 1 2-inch mortar, 9 grenades, 526 7.62 mm live rounds, 226 5.56 mm live rounds, 190 303 live rounds, 7 9 mm bullets, 4.32 bullets, 6 HE mortar shells, 2 tube launching and 4 IEDs. The weapons were recovered under coordinated operations that were conducted at Imphal West, Imphal East, Thoubal, Kaching and Bishnupur districts by personnel of Manipur Police, Central Armed Police Forces, Army and Assam Rifles. Meanwhile, IGP Intelligence of Manipur Police, Kabib, has sought cooperation in the initiative to provide security to general public. The police officer also appealed public to report any incident of misuse of illegally acquired weapons.
Were launched simultaneously at multiple sites in the peripheral and suspected areas of Imphal East, Imphal West, Thoubal, Kaching and Bishnupur districts. The joint teams comprising the Manipur Police, Central Armed Police Forces and the Army and Assam Rifles recovered the following arms, ammunition, explosives and other warlike stores. These continued intelligence-led operations represent a major accomplishment for the Manipur Police and security forces in their continued mission to restore peace, uphold public order and safeguard the lives and property of citizens. The Manipur Police reaffirms its commitment to fostering a peaceful and secure Manipur. The public is urged to cooperate with the police and the security forces and to promptly report any suspicious activity or information related to illegal arms to nearest police station or the central control room.